In Happier Than Ever, Billie Eilish uses her unique vocal sound.
I'm away from you.
The delivery is so important to this tone, but she also embraces drastic mixing technique to go with the arrangement and the instrumentation. I'm gonna go through a template I made to recreate this warm and sad vocal production. Let's have a quick listen to the dry vocal and let's dig in.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever.
I'm going to pull up a wave R comp with a 5:1 ratio, and I want to be pretty aggressive with it.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever.
Okay, so let's start with an SSL EQ. Let's listen for highs cut and slightly low mids cut that I'm going to do.
I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it was.
Following the EQ right on the track, I want to create a bit of analog vibe and transistor distortion. To do that, I'm using a Sound Toys little RAdiator. Noise on, bias on, heat turned up a bit, and the wet dry balance is set to 1 o'clock.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better.
And now onto the effect auxes. Okay, I want to use a reverb that has a bit of a retro vibe. So I'm going to be using an air spring reverb. Pre-delay of 30 milliseconds, reverb time of 4 seconds, and a low cut up to 150 hertz. And let's blend it in.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. When
Now I want to create those vocal layered harmonies that Billie Eilish does very, very well in her production. I think I can do something similar using Isotope vocal synth, using the Polyvox module, voicing set to a 5th and a 3rd, and a touch of sub.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. When
I think I'm happy with the results. We have a vibey, lo-fi vocal tone. So in your next production, try to experiment with different vocal techniques and production styles. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.